It's no secret, dairy farms produce a constant stream of manure that costs a lot to handle. Now, there's a way to turn your cow's natural waste into clean, dry bedding, eliminate the nuisance of manure handling, and reduce labor costs on your farm. Use of this bedding can increase cow comfort, and increased comfort may increase milk production by well over 5%. That leads to an improved bottom line. Introducing the Waste Solver Automated Manure Management System. It separates liquids and salts from manure, leaving dry, clean, composted bedding. Current bedding costs are eliminated, and composted bedding can improve cow comfort without affecting somatic cell count. Comfortable cows produce more milk. More milk improves your profitability. Waste Solver is a highly automated system using proprietary hydrocyclone separation and accelerated composting to create dry, odor-free bedding. The compost is exceptionally clean and comfortable, allowing cows to lead healthy, productive lives, giving you maximum milk production and low somatic cell counts, and lower bedding costs. Waste Solver is an environmentally friendly process that reduces manure handling and spares the expense of purchasing bedding. Here's how it works. In the first step, slurry is pumped into the hydrocyclone, where a vortex separates solids from liquids. Liquid exits, returning either to the collection bed or lagoon. Solids drop to a press, where the last of the moisture is extracted. Inside the rotating drum, solids are tumbled and composted at temperatures exceeding 140 degrees. Air injected into the tumbling manure keeps it composting aerobically, which prevents the production of methane. The result is a uniform, comfortable bedding, dry to the touch and free of odor, with fewer pathogens, insects, and weed seeds. It's really not waste anymore, it's a valuable resource to your operation.
By utilizing that hydrocyclone and then running it through the press and then composting it, it allows us to produce a product that is clean as well as sterile. And as far as cow comfort, you just won't find anything that even compares to it.
People think that they can't use organic material for bedding because of the pathogen problems. And we sterilize it, and then we develop ways that they can stir it and keep it dry and not have a pathogen problem. So we spend a year at that and been very successful at it.
Waste Solver makes no claim to be 100% sterile, but it is clean. It keeps bacteria at bay and provides the kind of comfort cows need to produce more milk. Compared to cows on sand, cows on natural bedding are equally, if not more, comfortable. They actually sleep, which is when they produce milk most efficiently. They have healthier skin and hooves, and fewer injuries. This bedding has been shown to be equal to sand in somatic cell counts in real conditions on large production dairies. Waste Solver produced bedding offers some key benefits, even for those farms that currently use dried manure for bedding. Reduced labor costs. No need to buy ground-up cellulose. Plus, the bedding material produced by Waste Solver is always available. Comfortable cows produce more milk and generally live healthier lives. Up until now, many considered sand to be the gold standard. Waste Solver technology is changing those views. This new patented technology creates a bedding that is equal or better than sand in every way, but reduces costs and improves cow comfort. Waste Solver increases milk production from the cows you already have, and it can help you build a bigger herd. State and federal regulators require the removal of excess nutrients from your farm as a condition of increasing herd size. Therefore, for many farms, growth depends on removing excess nutrients or increasing land for spreading, which can be costly and is not always feasible. Waste Solver helps you clear that hurdle when you sell excess compost to Tyratech, the manufacturers of Waste Solver, and remove it from your farm.
We've done numerous tours here with township trustees, county commissioners, soil and water, numerous people, and that's the first thing they do. They take a handful of it and stick it right up their nose, and they're just amazed that there is no smell.
The waste solver process removes about 9% of the excess phosphates from the original manure. Liquid returned to the lagoon contains only fine particles of solids, and these remain suspended and retain the majority of the nitrogen needed to support plant growth. Therefore, it pumps and spreads easily through irrigation equipment without forming a crust on soil. Sand, by comparison, is tough on equipment, requires continuous replacement, and leaves a real problem that must be removed regularly from pits. That costs time and money.
When you start putting pencil to paper, it's not hard to see that in a short period of time, this is going to pay for itself, and we are self-sufficient.
Now you can reduce labor costs and eliminate the expense of buying bedding. Contented cows produce more milk, so surround your herd with comfort. Clean, dry, natural bedding. If you've got these, get this: the Waste Solver Automated Manure Management System from TyraTech, the advanced way to turn waste into bedding and increase milk production to improve your bottom line. Available only to select dairy farms. Contact TyraTech to see if you qualify.